Hello everybody, my name is Gattis Kandis and today I will show you how you can record a super slow motion video at 1920 frames per second. As you probably know, today there are a lot of phones available that record super slow motion video at 960 frames per second. When you put two phones together, you can actually create a video that is 1920 frames per second. I personally don't have any Samsung phones, but I do have two iPhone 5Ss, each recording at 120 frames per second. So I'm gonna use those two and gonna create video at 200 frames per second. And I'm gonna demonstrate you how to do it, and you can apply the same technique for the Samsung phones and make a 1920 frames per second video. So without further ado, let me show you. Okay, here we go. So the first iPhone 5S, I'm gonna start recording slow motion video, and so now I'm gonna put the other one on top like that. And as you can see, there's a rubber band at the bottom. I'll explain you why in a minute. And so now I'm gonna put these both phones together with the rubber bands as well, at the top and at the bottom. Okay, so the rubber bands are on, and now I'm gonna start recording with the other phone as well, slow motion video. So the reason for the rubber band at the bottom is it tilts phone slightly so that the cameras from the both phones are gonna be recording exactly the same image at, in this case, 20 centimeters distance. Because if the phones were flat against each other, the recordings would be slightly different because the top one would record a little bit higher than the bottom one. So that's the reason I need to tilt it. Like if it was tilted even more, if the gap was bigger here, then for the recording to be the same, the distance would be even closer. And so now I'm gonna put this on a tripod, put this on the floor, and I'm gonna slide down a coin and record the video with both phones, and then I'm gonna put those both videos together. Okay, so I got both cameras ready, recording, and then I also have light, so it's brighter. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and now comes the most exciting part. I'm gonna stitch the videos together. I'm gonna do it frame by frame because I only have iPad, and you can probably do it on a computer, like automatically, you know, just like glide the videos together, I don't know. But I know that I can do it frame by frame, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you as well, and then you're gonna see. Okay, so here I put the two videos together frame by frame, and so you can see as I keep going one frame at a time, only one of the coins move, and then when I keep going to the next frame, then the other coin moves. So as I keep going, you can see like just one coin moves at a time. So now I need to put those two videos together so I can have twice as many frames and twice as smooth motion. So let me do that now. Okay, so now I have put both videos together and I made a combined video. I also left the two old videos as well so we can see the difference. So as I keep sliding along the timeline, you can see that phone 1 and phone 2 moves only every second frame. However, the combined version moves every single frame, so therefore it's twice as smooth. You can see that. Okay, let's play it properly. Here we go. Yeah, did you see it was much smoother? Okay, I'm gonna put it on full screen so you can see it even better. And that's how you can record slow motion video at 1920 frames per second if you got two phones recording at 960 frames per second each. Okay, just a little disclaimer before I go. I actually had to record the videos a couple times because it didn't work the first time. The reason was that both phones were recording exactly the same frames. But for the video to be as smooth as possible, you actually have to try to get the frames from one phone to be exactly in the middle of the frames of the other phone. For example, if this is one phone, this is other phone, so like if I happen to record both frames at the same time, then the video would not be as smooth. So I had to like try to get the frames in between each other, so like this way it would be much smoother video. It only took me 3 times, so yeah, it's pretty quick. And thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you soon.